Hey, this is Fadi and welcome again to my aquarium channel. I just got this Radion XR15 Pro light and I will install it on my reef tank. I'm doing another Arabic video for the unboxing and the installation. So if you want to see the Arabic version, please click the link below. For installation on my reef tank, I got two items. The light itself and the multi-light RMS slide. Oh my god, I just forgot to buy the diffuser. When it arrives, I will make a video to show you how to install it. Now I'll grab a knife, open here. Here is the warranty registration. The setup guide. It has all the information needed for installing your Radion. This light, as well as other Radion lights that I already have, will be controlled using Neptune Apex Controller. You'll need WXM module to control the lights. This is the cable. I'll be changing this cable so I can connect it to my power supply. This is the power supply. This is the USB cable. This USB cable can be used to connect the light to a laptop or computer to program. This is the light itself. And here comes some screws to attach to the light. Also there is a cloth to clean the light. For the multi-light RMS slide, this is the slide itself, and this is the screws. Now I'll attach these screws. Four screws on every corner. And attach screws like this. Untie the cable. Attach the power supply. Connect this. Now it's ready to be added on the tank. As you can see, I already have 3 XR30 Pro lights, but I need more spread, especially under this brace. This brace decreases light a little and makes a little shadowing. So what I'll do, I'll rotate these lights and bring them to the middle a little, and I will put the new XR15 here. First, I need to assemble this one. This. I'm using Apex Classic Controller. On my PC, I'll go to the Classic dashboard and click on Module Setup. In this screen, I can see all my other radions that are already installed. I picked the WXM module from the list. Then click on Attach Radions and wait for a few seconds until the new radion light appears. It will show missing next to it. After that, I'll click on the WXM firmware update to update the module to the latest version. And it will show OK next to the new radion. Also, I'll choose Update Firmware and then click on Submit Module Change. Wait for the update to complete. Then we will go to Apex Fusion to program the light. Click on the new tiles. This will show the new radion. Drag the output to the dashboard and click on the gadget icon. Now, I'll copy the program from my other radion light. I can make a new program, but it's already there. I can also change the name of the output, then I click on Update. My schedule starts with all blue, followed by 12K and 40K, followed by custom. Custom is the AB Plus Coral Lab program. After that, it will go to deep blue until the light turns off. This is the Apex bar sensor that I'll be using to test the bar values before and after installing the light. These are the bar readings before adding the new Radion XR15. At the bottom, the values ranges from 60 at the corner of the tank to 170. In the middle of the tank, values are from 110 to 200. At the top of the tank, values are from 200 to 320. And now, after adding the new light and rotating the two other radions, you can see a significant increase in bar values. And now, I'll leave you to enjoy some coral close-ups. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell to get notification when a new video comes out.